Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. In our previous lecture, we learnt one method to solve quadratic equation, and what was that? By factorization method. Now in this lecture we will see same example we will try to solve with other method, which is by using quadratic formula. For this you have to remember quadratic formula by heart, so that you can apply, and it is very simple and very easy to learn, and it is very simple to solve quadratic equations by using quadratic formula. So let us see what is quadratic formula. So this is quadratic formula: x equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac under root divided by 2a. This you have to remember. And there is third method to solve quadratic formula, which is completing square, and I will show you, and I will solve this equation, and I will show you how we can get this x equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. This formula, how we can extract from quadratic equations. This is the direct solution you will get by applying this formula, and I will show you how to find out this formula and how to extract this formula from quadratic equation. So let us solve quadratic equation, same quadratic equation which we discussed in our previous lecture. We solved it. We will solve it by same this quadratic formula method, and we will check whether we get same solution or no. So what was that equation? This was the equation which we solved in our previous lecture by factorization. Now we will solve it by factorization, this quadratic formula. Same like in factorization, we have to convert the quadratic equation in standard form. Okay, we will convert this into standard quadratic equation form. So this is not in quadratic equation standard form. To make it ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 form, I will move this one to left hand side, same which we did in previous lecture. 2x square minus 2x minus 12 equal to 0. This we received. Now we can solve from here, but same like in factorization method, it is better you should simplify, and always simplify your equation before solving. So we can simplify, we can take common 2 and then we can solve. 2 I will take common, I will be left with x square minus x minus 6 equal to 0. And this 2 same like in previous lecture we did divided both sides by 2, and we get x square minus x minus 6 equal to 0. Now this is in standard form: ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. All terms are on left hand side, 0 is on right hand side. Ax square minus plus bx plus c equal to 0. Now we will identify what is b, what is a, and what is c, and we will put this value in formula. Okay. Here a is equal to 1 because coefficient of x square is a. Coefficient of x square is a, coefficient of x square is 1. Here coefficient of x is minus 1, coefficient of x is b, so b equal to minus 1. Constant term is minus 6, so c equal to minus 6. Now we will put this value in equation 1, or we can say putting this value in quadratic formula. Okay, putting value in 1, or you can say in quadratic formula. So this quadratic formula will become x equal to minus, this is the formula minus. B value is -1, so I will put -1. Okay, this -1 is value of B, this minus is the formula minus. Plus minus B square minus 4AC. Okay, let us write here. X equal to minus into B value is -1 plus minus under root will remain same. B value is -1, so here -1 square, we are just putting the values. -4 into A is 1, so A will be 1 and C is -6, so we will put here -6 divided by 2A, 2 into 1. So we put the value of B, A and C. So what we get? X equal to minus into minus is plus, +1 plus minus B square, -1 square is 1, -1 into -1 is +1. This minus into this minus plus 6 into 4, 24 divided by 2. So this will become 1 plus minus, I am not writing plus, it is understood that 1 is plus minus 25 divided by 2. So square root of 25 is 5. X equal to 1 plus minus square root of 25 is 5 divided by 2. So x will be, now this, what does this plus minus mean? One time we will take plus and one time we will take minus. So x will be 1 plus 5 divided by 2 and x will be 1 minus 5 divided by 2. Okay, one time we will take plus and one time we will take minus. So 5 plus 1 is 6, 6 by 2 equal to 3. 1 minus 5 is -4. Plus 1 minus 5, -4 by 2. And x, when we will simplify it, x will become -2. 2, 1 is 2, 2, 2, 4. So -2. So same, you see we are receiving the same solution. X is equal to -2 and x equal to 3. Two solutions we received from quadratic formula. Solution set is 3 and -2. So we did same example with the factorization method and we did same example with quadratic formula and we received same solution. So this was the second method to solve quadratic equations. Okay, we will solve this same example by completing square. Next method is our completing square method. Then we will verify this answer. I will show you this answer is correct, how, and we will verify. We will put back this value and we will see left hand side is becoming equal to right hand side. So we will be confirmed this answer is correct. And also we are getting same solution from two different methods. It is already confirmed our solution is correct. So this was all about quadratic formula. In our next lecture we will see the third method to solve quadratic equation. That one is completing square. So if you have any questions you can ask me. Thank you very much for watching my channel.